I'm Jeff from First Choice Mobility Limited, and today I'm going to introduce a new product and show you some of its features. Introducing the new Dash-E Fold automatic folding power chair. Press on the button and it folds automatically. To open the E-Fold, press the A button. Opens automatically. The E-Fold is fitted with a lap belt, one-piece footplate. The joystick can be fitted to the left or the right and comes with a cup holder. The E-Fold is easy to use and has the full manoeuvrability you'd expect from any standard power chair. In addition to the manual adjustment on the backrest, the key fob also allows for automatic adjustment. The Dash-E Fold has a convenient under-seat storage bag, an 18-inch seat width, a maximum user weight of 19 stone, and is the lightest self-folding power chair. For further information, details or specification, visit our website or call one of the team.